Technology is continuously changing. Some are crazy and amazing, some are incredibly helpful, and some have the potential to improve our lives. We've searched the globe for some of the most intriguing devices and gadgets. The technology we've discovered barely touches the surface of what's possible. Hello and welcome back to Tech Genius. In today's video, we will show you crazy tech gadgets and inventions you need. So keep on watching the video. Number 1. Cefaly. In an age where people risk getting addicted to painkillers and other forms of relief, Cefaly is a much-needed breather. Cefaly is a portable device that can cure headaches and migraines without you having to take any drugs or see a doctor at all. Cefaly works directly with the human brain by sending micro-pulses through the nerves in the face of the wearer to help you get rid of headaches. So you wear this device on your forehead where it interacts with the trigeminal nerve, which is a nerve responsible for sending sensations felt in the face and forehead to the brain through tiny electrodes. And the electrical impulses sent through those electrodes simulate the nerve, reducing the frequency and intensity of migraines in the process. You can use the Cefaly for 20 minutes daily as a preventative measure and treatment for migraines. This device can even switch off by itself after it has completed its task. Number 2. Airpoints Ring Finger. The Airpoint Finger Ring is a portable wearable device that immediately transforms your finger into a mouse. Gone are the days of packing mice with you. Now you can always have your mouse. This device combines 3D navigation technology integrated into a ring-sized wearable mouse. Because of this, the mouse is usable across multiple devices in homes, offices, and classrooms. The ring finger is also very helpful in situations that require multiple people collaborating on a project to interact with it at the same time. You don't need to worry about your finger size, as this device can easily fit multiple finger sizes. You can switch fingers while working if your previous finger is beginning to feel numb from all the pointing. You can easily recharge the 8-hour battery with the charging dock that comes with it in the box. Number 3. Wand Shower Purifier. The majority of individuals don't think twice about their bath water. Right? If it's clean, it must be clear. Actually, not always. Depending on where you live, water might be hard or soft, unclean or clean. It might contain substances that make it unsafe to consume or even use for bathing. This is why Wand was created. Wand was designed to work seamlessly with your existing shower setup. The thoughtful DIY design means no plumber is required for quick installation and easy removal. Wand acts as both a filtration device and a purifier at the same time. The filtration cartridge removes harmful items like rust, dirt, odors, and microorganisms, while the other cartridge enriches the water with all the much-needed vitamins and minerals that help you hydrate the skin and cleanse the scalp, making your hair look healthy and feel softer, while relieving your skin of outbreaks, reactions, and causing eczema relief. All of these actions take place in just mere seconds. You can replace these cartridges when they need replacing through the subscription plan that comes with the device. Number 4. Bimoz e-bike motor. As environmental stress increases, an increasing number of people are choosing bikes over motorcades. The number of smart bikes or e-bikes that have an assisted drivetrain to help you keep moving without getting tired has also increased as a result of this. However, you may use Bimoz to transform your old bike into an e-bike if you don't want to give up on it. Bimoz is a 4-pound electric bicycle motor. This device uses cutting-edge technology and is driven by a strong magnetic drive mechanism. It functions flawlessly in any type of weather, at any temperature, and in a variety of settings. It is simple to attach to any type of bicycle, including city bikes, mountain bikes, and racing bikes. Bimoz wants to keep the environment clean and inspire customers to travel alternative routes to work with its innovative add-on motor. The fact that Bimoz requires zero maintenance is one of the primary factors that makes it the top option for most e-bike riders. You may have one of the most powerful e-bikes on the earth by simply mounting it to your bike once it is completely charged. Number 5. Sweat-powered electricity. Engineers at the University of California, San Diego are developing a wearable gadget that produces little electricity from the sweat on your fingertip. This technology is made to function even when people are dozing off. Making extra juice also involves touching objects with your fingertips. The engineers concluded that typing, texting, or even playing the piano could increase energy production. It appears that 10 hours of wearing the gadget while sleeping is sufficient to produce 400 millijoules of energy, which could then run an electronic wristwatch for 24 hours. With that, we've come to the end of the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you can watch our upcoming videos in the future. Thanks for watching.